Video today, I'm going to be replacing the bulb housing on a T1n Sprinter 2002 to 2006. I got this part from Million Mile Sprinter. So just, you want to push on this little tab and pull it out. So see, there's that little tab, and that's how it works. And see how it works? Hook it in like that, push it in like that, so the bulb just pulls straight out. And this connector twists the connector counterclockwise. Haven't stick the bulb in there. Probably should grease it. Alright, stick that in there. Okay, twist it clockwise till it clicks. Okay, now hook it in and click it in. Fixed, I just didn't press the bulb down far enough because I was doing this one-handed. There you go.